Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuse in your BMW 1 Series. First, you'll need to locate the fuse box. For most 1 Series models, it's conveniently found behind the glove compartment. Always refer to your car's owner's manual for the precise location and a detailed diagram of the fuses. Before you do anything, make sure your car's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical issues. This is a crucial safety step. Once you've located the fuse box, use the diagram from your owner's manual to pinpoint the specific fuse responsible for the component that isn't working. You'll find a small plastic fuse puller tool, usually clipped inside the fuse box cover or near it. Gently use this tool to extract the suspected fuse. Hold it up to the light and look closely. A blown fuse will typically have a visibly broken or burnt wire connecting the two metal prongs. Now that you've identified the blown fuse, it's time for replacement. It's absolutely critical to replace it with a new fuse that has the exact same amperage rating. This rating is usually printed on the top of the fuse itself. Using a fuse with a different amperage can cause serious electrical problems. Carefully push the new fuse into the empty slot until it's seated firmly. Then, turn on your ignition and test the component to ensure it's functioning correctly. After confirming the new fuse works, securely replace the fuse box cover. This protects the delicate electrical components from dust and damage. It's a good practice to keep a small assortment of spare fuses with common amperage ratings in your car. This way, you're prepared for future issues and can quickly resolve them on the go. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.